How to measure and install internal sliding tracks for an OX Robin Brown sliding door. Many first-generation aluminium door designs considered only fly screen sliding doors. Security screens and triple lock security doors had not been invented when these models were first designed. This Robin Brown OX sliding door top head track is too narrow to install a modern security door frame. Its head channel width of only 21mm is a bit too tight for a sliding door to run smoothly. To improve the door's function and operation, we're going to add a geometric box inside the top channel and combine that with a 25x25mm sliding door top track. The 19x19mm fits inside the existing head track. This gives us a flat surface to install the sliding door top track against the 19x19mm box. The length measurement for the track box combo is measured inside the receiver channel left and right. Measurement is 2,360mm. To install the box, pre-drill small holes, spacing evenly throughout. Then use a 10mm drill bit to make a wider hole on the bottom face. Fix the box inside the existing head track with some screws. Then screw the 25x25 top track to the bottom face of the box, aligning the pip track to the center of the lock side receiver channel. A modern four-wheel security door will not work on the existing bottom tracks either. We need to add a sliding door pip track. Measure left to right inside the receiver, leaving a few millimeters for clearance. The door is square, resulting in a sill track cut size of 2,358mm. Finish the installation by pre-drilling the sill track and fixing this down to the existing sill, aligning the center of the pip track with the center of the door lock receiver U-channel. Our tracks are now set up for measuring and installing the security door. If you want to know how to do this, check this door's measure and install video in our playlist. Become a Starline Security Dealer, gain access to our ordering portal system, and order all these accessories and our screens or doors online. Our contact details are in the description below.